Here we are where we left off in the previous movie, and I've added just a few more items to this. Now, up to now, we've been taking items just from this file, but you're not restricted to one file. You can take it from different files. Here's a file that we'll be working on a little bit later, but it has the hours of our lunch, so we can just drag it up here like this. And then, of course, we want to add the information. We'll call it lunch hours, and do the same in the description. Like that. Let's go back to the blank document, and again let's try a search. This time we've already got this in here. Description contains lunch. That's what we want. We'll click on OK, and there all the lunch hours come out. We can just drag this on the page and use it, and just make it a lot bigger here like this. And let's say we change the hours to 11:30. Like that. Now we can update it. It doesn't update automatically, so we've just got to drag it in here like that. But what happened? We didn't see it. I dragged it in there. Looked as if it went in. I'll try again. It's not there. Well, the reason is we're only showing items that contains the description lunch. So we got to go back and show all. And there, once we do that, we can see that we've put it in twice. So we can delete that one. I'll just hit yes, and this one here, and we'll again go through item information, lunch hours, and again down here. Click on OK, and then we'd probably go through and change the first one here. We'll just delete it because everything's changed. It gives us a warning that we're not going to be able to undo that. So now we've got the updated file. If we pull down this menu, there's a few ways to view it. You can list the view like this. You can go to a large thumbnail. Still hard to read at this resolution, at that size, but I prefer the thumbnail view like this. Now, this is a file, so it resides on your hard drive. You close it out. In fact, if you go to Bridge here, I'm in a different folder here, we can scroll down. You should be able to see it, Peppers INDL. So if you want to open it, you can just drag it on your screen like this, or double click on it. We have to do it actually. You can't drag it on. And here it comes up on the screen. Sample buttons are here, bookmarks are here, hyperlinks. It's just located in this panel here. Now, as I said in the previous movie, I don't use this too much now because Bridge is so good now. If we go to the full version of Bridge now, you can actually create a collection here. Let me go and create a new one. Include selected files. Oh no, I don't want the selected files included. So here we could call it Peppers like this, and that way I could go into my links and just drag items into this, and if I want to see it, double click here. So I tend to use that rather than the library feature because it's just more convenient for me. But if you're working in a work group with a large number of people, then the library really is effective. And it does have the added advantage in that you can add the text to it and group it with the image. Although remember, if you update the text, your library isn't going to update.